Good morning, friend. First, I introduce myself, Dr. K.M. Khalkar, Department of Botany, KTHM College, Nasik. Student, this one is the last vegetable of this fifth one chapter of our paper Horticulture and Floriculture, Fruits and Vegetable Production Technology, in which in up to the last lecture we have covered the two fruits. The first one is the mango, second one is the banana. Again the two vegetable, the first one is the tomato, second one is the peas. And the last one, third one vegetable with reference to our syllabus, and that is the beans. We all know that is the beans, an important source of proteins. We use it for different purpose as a vegetable, or it may be in different vegetable we can use. These beans are there, that is also known as the French beans or beans. The scientific name, botanical name of this bean is the Phaseolus vulgaris, having the family Leguminosae, or the new name Fabaceae is there. Origin of this plant in the Central America. The French beans are sweet, tender and wonderfully crispy. They contain zero fat. This is one important, contain zero fat and cholesterol, and are a good source of fiber and vitamin C, and beans are popular as a dietary food, also known as a kidney bean, snap bean, navy bean, haricot bean, common bean. These are the various names of this French bean or bean. They come in multiple color and size. Yes, the size is different also, color is also different there. The green pod of this bean are rich in calcium, they are rich in ferrous also, they are rich, we will say, in the calcium is also there, phosphorus is there, potash is there, they are contained in a large. Seeds are highly proteinaceous. Yes, the seeds which will be present into the green pod, they are highly proteinaceous, highly protein is contained there. And the in when we are consider our country, the major growing states, they are Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu and West Bengal is there. Again, the soil and climate required for cultivation of these beans. Soil, a sandy loam with good drainage and irrigation is required, whereas the pH is 5.5 to 6.5 pH is required there. And the climate for this bean, most of the varieties are day neutral except some semi-pole varieties which are short day types. The temperature should be ideally between 15 to 25 degrees centigrade. Rainfall is 600 to 1500 millimeter per year required. The germination percentage is generally about 85% is there. Next one point, that is the varieties. Based on extent fiber in the pod, may be of string or stringless variety. Based on growth habit, they are bush type or the pole type of the varieties are there. First, we will consider the bush type varieties. They are like as the YCD1, UT1, UTFB2, then the Arca Komal, Premier, Arca Bold, Arca Sampurna, Arca Karthik are the popular varieties of the hills. Whereas the plains, the Arca Komal, Premier, Arca Suvidha, Arca Anup, Arca Samruddhi, Arca Suman are under cultivation. The pole type varieties, they are like as the blue lac, then the Kentucky or the Murungai bean are popularly cultivated. Resistance line against like as the Pseudomonas syringae, etc. The root rot like as the viscosine or the nematode, that is the P4175. All these are the variety of the beans cultivated in the different region of our country. The special practices of this bean. The first one point of the special practices like as the propagation. The French bean usually propagated from seeds. Yes, seeds, that is the sexual propagation. We are propagated it with the help of seed, means the sexual propagation is there. Then the season, like as in season hills, March to April, whereas the plain July, September, or it may be of January, February is there. In the same, there is the need of land preparation by plug, loosen the soil 15 to 25 centimeter deep for the good of the root development to the seed is there. Prepare the beds 1.2 meter, that is the 4 feet in width and 0.3 meter in height, and the length of will be depend on the area of the cultivation area is there. Okay. Then the spacing from one bed to another bed is 0.6 meter required there. With the help of that, we will culture properly, maintain all the requirement to the plant is there. Planting, the plant 4 seeds in one planting hole, and spacing between row is 90 centimeter by 30 centimeter. Means at one place we will sown 4 seeds, and the distance between two, we will say the hole is 90 by 30 centimeter, means 3 feet by 1 feet is required there between the planting. Then when the seedling going, leave only 2 plants in one planting hole is there. Then in case of bush type varieties, about 60 to 65 kg per hectare seed is required. Yes, the requirement of the seed, that's depend upon variety to variety. In bush type, it required 60 to 65 kg per hectare, and in pole type, it required 25 to 30 kg per hectare is there. Then before sowing the seed, there is the need of seed treatment to avoid the we will say soil-borne diseases are there. The trichoderma biocontrol agent fungi play an important role there, whereas the therum as well as the carbendazim is also used to treat the seeds. Whereas if the crop is raised for the first time, it should be treated with the rhizobium as in cluster beans. With the help of treating, we will avoid the soil-borne pathogen to the root as well as seedlings are there. Then the manure and the fertilizers are like as a FYM, farmyard manure is there. Then the 10 kg of potash is there. Then potash is there. They are applied depending upon the nature of the soil after sowing the seeds, or it may be of in some cases before sowing the seeds, the soil is applied the FIM, farmyard manure 25 tons per hectare. Being a leguminous apply, only 60 kg of nitrogen per hectare is required there as a starter dose at the time of sowing, completely to build the population of symbiotic microflora is developed there. At the same time, after the manure and the fertilizer, the weeding should be given 20 to 25 days and 40 to 45 days after sowing. Yes, avoid the different weeds which will be takes place there, or it may be of few weedicides which will be used there. With the help of that, we will avoid the weeds are there. Pinching out and staking. Yes, preparation of the stake. French beans need stake in order to obtain high yield. Support 3 weeks old seedling using the stake with 1.8 meter to 2.4 meter in length. Yes, a support to that, we will say the plant of the bean are required there. With the help of that, we will obtain a good quality of the pods are there. Other methods used for the support to the French bean is the trellis system. Join the 2 sticks nearby to the wire and to form a trellis to which we will hang the branches of these beans are there. And the harvesting, that they pick the pod while still young and the beans have not formed fully. More flower will appear if picked regularly. If we are picked regularly the pod, then the flowering takes place and the fruits can be harvested 7 weeks after the planting, and the average yield 18 to 100, we will say, quintal per hectares they are takes place there. So the pest and the diseases, the pest like as the bean fly, Ophiomya fascioli. Symptoms: the larvae born on stem and causing plants to wilt and die off. And the control: spray with gamma BSC or spray with the carbaxyl is there. Leaf hopper by the Aphis species. Lie under the young leaves shoot and flower vector for mosaic virus, and they are controlled by malathion, endosulfan, or it may be of the digenon is there. The pod borer, like as the Maruca texturalis, that is the causal organism of the pod borer. The larvae born into the pod causing the damage of the bean, and the flowers are there, and that control, eradicate the damaged bean, spray, savine, spray, carberry is essential there. Then the diseases, they are like as the leaf spot diseases caused by the Colitotrichum capsi and the Cercospora species, that is the fungi which causes the diseases, whereas we will say the second one like as the leaf rust diseases caused by the Euromyces vigni, that is also the fungi, and the symptoms yellowish on the leaf and not affecting the yield on the long bean, but that become a change the color of that bean is there. So these are the two diseases. We are control it by using the different type of the fungicides are there. So friends, in this way, here we are considering the different vegetables. The first tomato, second one is the pea, and the third one like as the beans are there. So in this chapter we have covered the two fruits and the three vegetables, and in this way here is the end of this fifth one chapter, that is the fruit and vegetable production technology. Thank you.